In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Cash App your bank declined this payment. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna talk about some possible fixes that you might want to try if you are having issues getting your bank properly linked to Cash App and transferring any amount of funds over. The first thing that you should do, and I highly recommend that you start this process inside of Cash App, is to simply re-link the bank. So from the home screen, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and find the linked banks setting. When you tap on linked banks, you will see a list of all the banks currently attributed to Cash App, and from here, try removing and relinking any bank that is giving you trouble. It might seem basic, but making sure that the bank is properly validated and verified will help alleviate this issue. So sometimes all that you have to do is relink the bank and try again. If you try this process and it still doesn't work, usually it is going to be fixed by contacting your bank. So this is the only method that I'm gonna show you that you need to do through Cash App itself. So if you try relinking the bank and the transfer still doesn't go through, some of the other possible methods to fix this issue is first, making sure that you still have a daily transaction limit which allows you to make this transfer to Cash App. Just like Cash App, banks will impose a daily transaction limit. If you overshoot that daily transaction limit, you won't be able to make any more transactions in that specific day. You have to check your daily transaction limit on your bank app. So for example, if you are on the Bank of America, open the Bank of America app or go to the online banking section and double check if you have a daily transaction limit and whether or not you exceeded that amount. Sometimes you should be able to alter that amount yourself, or you might have to wait until the next day. Alternatively, other things to check while you are inside of your bank account through the mobile app or the online banking section is to see if you have enough funds. Of course, if you have insufficient funds in your bank account, you will not be able to initiate this transfer. It is going to give you the error and your bank won't allow it to go through. Likewise, the last thing to check is if Cash App is not being marked or flagged as a suspicious transaction. A lot of times, banks might get confused on whether or not you want to approve a transaction, and for safety, they might automatically make it not go through. So if your bank declined the payment from Cash App that you are trying to make, you will be able to find a notification somewhere along the screen that allows you to let it go through. So all that you have to do if the bank automatically flagged this as suspicious activity is to approve the transaction and make sure that it goes through. Besides all of these settings, unfortunately, there aren't many other methods that you can do on your own. Make sure that your Cash App account is properly verified, set up, and you do all of these methods outside of Cash App itself. Lastly, try waiting some hours or even a day if the transaction isn't urgent, because sometimes they might be doing maintenance and there is nothing you can do if that is the case. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Cash App your bank declined this payment. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.